Hello. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get every single item in Wacky Wizarding. So of course these premium items you can buy with Robux, but we're going to be getting dynamite, beans, the bird, a spider, a chameleon, and the fish, as well as chili. First, we can get the bird. So the bird is up that big tree of parkour, so it's really hard to get. So I would recommend using a giant's ear, which scales you up, a couple giant's ears, quite a few, and then some giraffe hooves to give you tall feet and high heels. There you go. Okay, we're gonna take this potion, drink it up, and then we're going to go walk over to there, the bird, and you're going to progressively grow taller and taller. So you could try to do all of this hard parkour, which I could not complete, or you could just make a giant potion, scale up, grab it. You want to click teleport cauldron. You do not want to click reset player while you have an item. You want to click drop item and then reset player, and then grab your item and set it on the table. If you reset while you have an item in your hand, it'll disappear. So make sure to drop it on the floor before you reset. Okay, now we have our bird. Next, we're going to get a fish. The fish is, really easy to get. You just want to go to this waterfall over here. Hop in the water, and then swim over to this coral reef zone with a little lip rock above it. So swim. You want to go in through this little entrance crack down here. Then you want to turn left, and right there will be your fish. Grab your fish, teleport to cauldron, and we didn't scale at all, so you can set your fish down on the table. Next, we can go get the spider. To get the spider, you want fairy. Oops, I got a drain potion. Fairies, you want 5 fairies. 3, 4, 5. And take that, and you become tiny. So I'm going to drink that, and we're going to make our way to this spider web here. And by now you should be pretty tiny. Way tiny. Whoa! That was an accident, but made us get here much faster. So, you want to go through the spider web and continue straight. After you go straight, you want to turn right, and then you want to do another right through this little tiny spider web. Here, you'll grab your spider, teleport to your cauldron, drop your item, reset player, grab your spider again, and then set it down on the table where the spider would be. So now we have the bird, spider, fish, and that's it so far. You can get the chameleon by just walking over here. It's on this tree. Very easy to get. You don't need any potions whatsoever. So go grab your chameleon and take that, teleport to cauldron, drop it. Well, you don't need to drop it. Just set it on the table. So now we have these 4. So dynamite, beans, and chili. So to get the chili, you're going to want to make a flying potion. First I'm going to make a speed potion. So giraffe hooves make a speed potion. So I'm going to take a speed potion of 4 giraffe hooves and drink that before we do this. And then you want to drain your cauldron to get another thing. Put in the bird and the fish. Take this potion, do not drink it until we get there. So you want to make your way over to this desert, and then once you get here, you want to turn left up here. So go down here and grab your chili. Drink your potion right now, and it'll make you fly or swim in the air. So now you can swim across this distance, grab your chili, and then teleport to your cauldron. Wait. Teleport to cauldron is not working right now, but that's fine. We can just swim all the way back. This is how you exit. And then just swim back to your cauldron. Woohoo! Okay, back at your cauldron, you just want to drop it, reset your player, grab your chili, and set it back down where the chili is. After the chili, we need the dynamite. So the dynamite is farther away. So you're gonna want draft codes, and make that potion. Drink, drink, drink. And then you want to head this way towards the desert again. Make your way over here, and the dynamite will be underneath the bridge. Teleport back to your cauldron and set your dynamite down, because now you have the dynamite. Okay, finally, the hardest one is the beans. So, first, take your dynamite. You're gonna make a new potion with your dynamite. Okay, I just wanted to double check that we had everything. Okay, take your dynamite, make a potion of dynamite, an explosive potion, run over to this volcano over here. It's a mega mountain. And then you'll see this little opening. Go over there, drink this potion, and you're gonna die, but you're gonna explode. Wait for it. Bam. And you blow this wall open. It'll stay open for the entire time, so no need to worry. After that, you're going to make a growing potion, a giant potion. Take that, and you're gonna run over to this wall. I'm gonna resume when I get there. Okay, I'm back at the wall. You wanna go through this opening, and it says no fly zone. You can't fly through this parkour. You wanna pour your growth potion into the spoon, and it'll grow the spoon very, very big. So now, you'll be able to make your way up here. What you want to do next, teleport back to your cauldron and drain, make a new potion, and add your fairy. And then just take this tiny potion. You want to drink your fairy potion right now, and then make your way all the way back to the wall again, and I'll meet you there. Okay, I'm back at the wall now, and I'm drinking my tiny potion. And then you want to get on the spoon and walk across it, hop, hop, and only if you have the tiny potion will this go up. Then you want to do this parkour. Oh, lag. Dang it. I'll meet you there again with another tiny potion. Okay, I'm back up here with a speed potion this time, since I wanted to get there faster. And then you just want to do this parkour, just normal parkour, no difference. You want to come out here, hop, hop, grab your beans, teleport to your cauldron, and set them on the beans. And now you have beans. So that's all of the items in the game that you don't have to pay for. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, he stole my potion. Bye.